looking Abel, I'm very suddenly because
Ingna si Joey nga. Joey, I'm happy when I'm entering Jerry's restaurant.
Kaya nga.
Ikaw na istorya na.
I'm very happy, Joey. I'm entering in the Jerry's restaurant, a very expensive restaurant.
Yeah. When we are finished,
When I finish,
I'm lonely.
may I look Abel? I'm very lonely. I'm very sad because I'm very big bill.
Lagi gutom.
Start in eating food, I'm full. But me looking Abel, I'm very suddenly because
Suddenly, I become hungry. And I'm full before the bill give me.
Bot ka!
Katawa.